What's up, you guys? It's Mason back here, taking a nice cruise out here on a nice day. A little overcasty, but it's like 65. What's up, dude? Figured I'd cruise around on the 675R. Man, this bike sounds so good. It's got a slip-on aero exhaust. Stock exhaust sounded pretty good, but something about these aero exhausts, man, they're made for these bikes and they sound so good. Thing's fast. For 600 naked, this thing is fast. First gear is 70. You lean forward in a little bit of an aggressive stance, but it's more of an upright, typical naked style. Your legs get tucked tight into the tank. I'm like right under 6 foot, and I fit on this bike pretty good. Ooh, it feels good out, man. I got a sweatshirt on and my riding jacket, and it's just nice weather. Oh, this bike sounds so good. Oh, she's filthy. I need to clean this thing. But this thing, sure, when it's clean, this thing cleans up nice. It's pretty. It's got the white pearl metallic flake in it, and man, when the sun hits it, it's just indoor. This bike looks so different than it does outside. Outside is so much better. And the Diablo red, it's a nice touch to it. What I like most about it is when you take off, the induction you hear. Ah, it sounds so good. I've had my other bikes before. I've had Yoshis on them and they sound great. I like them, and they got that nice deep throat to them and stuff. Very unique, obviously, but after a while they're kind of annoying, a little loud. This thing, it sounds good when you know, get on it, but it's comfortable when you're just cruising. It's not too loud. Question is, where are we gonna go today? So yeah, let me go over this. I got this almost a year ago. Bought it used from Empire Cycle. I think it had 3,000 miles on it when I first got it, and I've only got like 3,400 miles on it now. So I have not rode this bike very much. I bought it on an impulse buy because I literally went to Empire to get my Tiger that I bought earlier last year to get its first break-in cycle at 500 miles. And they had this bike sitting on the showroom, and I'm like, oh, you've got to be joking me. Oh, this thing shifts so nice. I love triples. Triples and Triumph, man. They got those figured out. So anyway, yeah, I picked this bike up. First thing I did is I had leftover mirrors just from buying them for all my other bikes. I take all my mirrors off except for my Tiger. That's the only one that's got stock mirrors, and they don't look bad. That was the first thing that literally went that day because I had extras. Not too long after though, I was over in Montana, in Missoula, and I stopped by a dealership because I noticed that they were a Triumph dealer, and I went in there just to check out stuff, just to say hi. And I told him what bike I had, and he was like, oh really, because they were getting rid of 50% off all of their 675R gear for this year's model. And I'm like, really? Wow, do you have an exhaust? And he said he thinks he did. And so I went up in there and I got the aero exhaust for 50% off of normal price, which is around, I think, 700 bucks or something, 800 bucks. So I walked out the door for like 350, or it was 400 bucks, something like that. I decided that I wanted the wind cowl that goes on the front. I think they just look better. So it took me a while to get that. It took like 2 weeks. And honestly, that's it. That's all I've done to this bike. I need to do the fender delete kit in the back to tuck it up so the license plate doesn't have that ugly, I don't even know what you want to call it, wing coming out the back. But it's not as bad as some bikes, man. Some bikes they're just atrocious. Oh, it looks like it just rained here. Gotta get out of this rain. I wonder which. I think I'm going into it. And at least it's not coming down hard. That would not be pleasant. This thing sounds so good. I don't know if the mic's gonna pick up the whistle that these triples have, but they sound so good. So yeah, this is I guess I didn't say, this is a 2016 Street Triple 675R. So in the time of 2016, this should have been the highest model. Here we go. She pulls hard in third gear. It sounds so good when you let off the throttle and you get the little pops out of the exhaust. Hopefully that's not smeared. Hopefully that's clean. Gorgeous back here though, so nice. But anyway, once I get the channel going and stuff, I think I want to invest obviously in a better camera and stuff, but I think it'd be cool to have an audio, which I probably would just take this GoPro Hero4 that I have, and I'd probably put it on the front and have a back face, and there's a pile of crap. I'd have it facing me, but then I would run a cord all the way back and try to get the exhaust note and maybe even the induction note, because I know you can get splitters, so you could have dual mics, and so I think that would be cool, where you got your front mic and your back mic. I think that'd be pretty sweet. Hear the intake and also hear the exhaust. And then you can also have this mic where I'm talking and stuff tucked inside my helmet, which helps so much with the wind. I mean, it is amazing, so much nicer, you know. I've had bikes for over 3 years now, and I can't believe that I have yet to bought a mic since I've had a GoPro the entire time. This looks clear. So maybe I've never come out this far. I think I've always turned around right at the back where there's that one little like bridge. I don't even know what's back here. Chickens, that's what's back here. National Forest. Oh, this is where Fernand Gun Club is. I need to get a membership here. I've never been here. That must be, I think that, huh. That makes sense, because I've never even known where the gun club was, so that makes sense why I've never been able to find it. Oh, there it is right there. Oh, that's so cool. Man, it's like 200 bucks a year, and you get the key, or you get a fob or something like that. You can take whoever you want with you, and I'm pretty sure it's 24 hours, or if not, it's pretty late, where they got lights and everything. There's some place, oh, it's right there. So that's what it is. So it's, I heard it's like 500 or 1,000 yard range uphill. I have no clue where this goes. But at least it's not raining. Road's wet though. This road's actually pretty good though. There's like no potholes. There was a rock earlier, but not a heavy traveled road, so that's nice. And since I've lived here for 15 years and I've never gone on this road. The throttle response on this bike is money. Actually, on both the triples, they're money. It's so smooth. I mean, you can just lay into it. There's no choppiness. It's aggressive in its own way. It's not an aggressive, it's not a Super Duke. It does not look anything aggressive like a Super Duke. It doesn't look aggressive like an MT10. But what's nice too is, you know how I was just barely letting into it, it's just so smooth, it's just instant. There's no delay, there's no lag. So nice. Fogging up again. And I got a bug on my face shield, nice. And I'm getting rained on again. Gotta love the good old Northwest. How far does this road go? I should have been tracking my miles. And I doubt there's service out here, so no flat tires, okay? Oh, is this the end? Oh, no, it keeps going. Huh. Do I explore? Or do I head back? I think I'm gonna head back. Maybe some other time I'm gonna come up here. I'd rather come up here in my Tiger anyway. I didn't realize how long of a hill we were climbing. But I guess, yeah, ever since the Fernan gun range, this is a hill. But it is sure pretty out. And once the rain stops, it's not even that cold. It's just, my pants are kind of wet, so my legs are kind of cold. But I keep sliding around on my seat. It's kind of frustrating because I'm going downhill the entire time. Oh, caught the truck. Dang it. Should have waited longer. Maybe I'll stop by the next pull around area and change my GoPro battery because I'm pretty sure it's been in for at least a half an hour. Here we go. Alright. A downhill walk around. Nice. Turn my bike off. Whew. Leaving her in gear so she don't go rogue on me. So yeah, this is it. She is filthy. Man, she's gonna need a wash when we get back. But yeah, pearl white with the red. Here's the ugly fender, license plate fender I need to get rid of. The aero exhaust. This thing is sweet. They're just mean looking bikes. But they're also like clean too. I don't know how to explain it. They got that aggressive look, but also just that well refined look. That's something about street triples. They're just really refined. Alright, let's get over this side. Well, we should be well separated from that Toyota truck. Oh, this thing sounds good. Come on, don't fog up. Oh man, this thing is so smooth. It's just effortless. And it stops on a dime too. The acceleration of this bike, the Tiger does not, it is a total like not a grandpa bike, but like a, I don't know, it's just more mellow. It still's fast. It's still actually, it gets it. You know, it's geared differently than the 765. Well, apparently this road is 35 miles an hour. This road should be 60. I sure hope that the audio is picking up the bike, because it sounds money. 25? What is this? It's definitely not a 25 mile an hour road. I don't know where that car's at. I did a little more exploring, I guess, today than cornering. Oh well. There's that rock. I'm gonna get that rock out of here. Nobody hit my bike, please. Stay. Okay. A stupid rock. Okay. Ooh, she looks good. Except for that license plate fender. What? Okay? Yeah, I almost hit that rock on the way that way, so I just threw a rock out. It was like this big. Yeah, you too. Rock averted. You're welcome for whoever I saved. You'll never know, but I guess someone else saw. Ah, it's diesel. It's all over the road. And 55. Why is there so much construction? I guess I can't complain. This is literally how I make a living is construction. So I can't complain. I'm pretty sure this is actually one of the jobs I work at. I haven't been here yet. See who's running it. Yeah, Daggerstrom. Yep. I don't see any equipment that we'd be working on, but so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this content. And my glove, it keep coming undone. I don't understand. Why does it keep coming undone? Hope you guys enjoy the content and help support the channel if you guys enjoy it. Like I've said before, goal is 1,000 subscribers by the end of the riding year, and that would be pretty awesome.